YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about video editing in Kinemaster. So see this, I open the Kinemaster. Now here click on this plus button. Okay, click on this plus button, then your new project will be open. So here asking select the aspect ratio of the project. So 16:9, 9:16 and 1:1. So I am selecting the 16:9 frame rate. So now it is showing the media browser. So you have to choose the media whatever you want. So now I am selecting one background, so that is from downloads. So I have so many downloads there. So you can also download any image, then you can drag it into Kinemaster. Now I am taking one, so I selected. Next one more I am taking, that one also selected. Yes, fourth one also selected, third one also selected. Done. Next we are moving to click on this right button. After selection, click on this right button. So right, we are done. So now you can see here 3 frames are there: first frame, second frame and third frame. So now first frame, so just in the first frame and second frame between plus symbol is there now. If you click on the plus symbol, then transition effects will come. So transition effects is nothing but from one layer to another layer. When moving from one image to another image, that is transition effect is there. So you can go with the transition. You can whatever you want, you can select. For example, here folding book, right? So I am folding book. I am opening this transition effect and I am selecting this. Then after click on this right mark. Done. So now you can play. Our effect is implemented, right? See. So once again I will play. Right. It is affected, right? So next one more plus button there now. So click on this one more plus button. Then after you can select another type of transition effect. So I am going with the hit and break. So hit and break, you can see their effect. Okay, hit and break. Now hit and break is selected. So now click on the right button. So here tick mark, I click on the tick mark. Then we will play with from first onwards. See. So this is the first effect we given, next effect we given. So it is working fine, right? Now you want to write one text, any text on the image. First you have to select the image, then you have to pan and zoom. So how much you want, you can zoom it like this. So click on this equal to symbol. Equal to symbol, when you are clicking on the equal to symbol, start position and end position both are same. So it will end, the entire frame will be same. See now, yes, entire frame will be same. Next, so select that. Then if you want give the text, if you want to write any text on the first template, see now. So now given one text. See now the text is not visible. Why? Because it is white color and background is also white color. Change the background. Here you can click on here. Okay, click this, then it will be pop up. Then I am going for the black. Then again click on the tick mark. So tick mark. Okay, it is came. You can drag like this anywhere you want, you can place. So now you want change the font type. So if you want change the font type, you can select your font, your Android font and Latin font, whatever your font you need, you can select it and click on the tick mark. Yes, it is okay. Now fine, it's working fine, right? So now if you want give the effects for this text, there in animation. So first see in animation fade. So you can give the timer also. So how much time it took to fade. So next pop. So I select the pop. You can now number of animations in animations. In animations means entering effect, this one. So in animation I click one, I selected one and I click on the tick mark. So next in animation completed, right? Again select the text. Now out animation. This is out animation. Now this is overall animation, right? Overall animation, blink and blow, flicker, pulse, jitter, fountain, ring, floating, drifting, whatever you want you can select. So I am selecting drifting. Okay, done. Next click on the tick mark. So overall animation done. Next out animation. This is out animation. So ending animation, nothing but out animation, nothing but ending animation. So how it ends, see now, up, source, scale down. So I selected the scale down. So then click on the tick mark. After selecting every effect, you have to click on this tick mark. Done. Right. And we will play it from first onwards. See. So it is floating. At the end, it is dispersed. So now effect is completed. Text effect is completed, right? Now we go for the ratios, adding ratios. See here, overlays. In the overlays, some ratios are there. Type of the overlay is ratio. So you can n number of overlays there. For looking attractive, I am selecting one ratio. So and I am clicking on the tick mark. So it is here, placing here. If you want place here, you can place here. If you want place in the between, you can place here. Then click on the right click, then play. So yes, that ratio overlay is playing, right? Now you want to drag this overlay, select the overlay. This is overlay ratio. Select the overlay and drag up to where you want. Okay, up to where you want. You can select. Now see it. So yes, the overlay is playing background. Yes, it is playing. Yes, it is playing, right? So this is the way you have to add overlays. Now in this video what we learnt, adding a text, adding the frames and adding the transition effects and adding the effects between the two frames. So this is we done in this video.